Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
This is regarding about October-November 2007, questions 4. Now, for questions 4a, it is no longer in our syllabus because it is regarding about group 4 elements. So we can cross it out. Now let's look at second questions. The standard enthalpy change of formations of lead-2 chlorides and lead-4 chlorides are given in the table. So you can see this is the enthalpy change for formations of PbCl2 and also PbCl4. Use this data and also the bond energy data from the data booklet to calculate the enthalpy change for the following two reactions. Now, since this is a really old syllabus, so therefore we are going to use the updated data from the data booklet. So first of all, we'll need to find the bond energy first. The bond energy of CCl from the data booklet is 340 kilojoule per mole, and the bond energy of ClCl is equals to 242 kilojoule per mole. Bear in mind that this is the updated one. The older versions of the data booklets is written there 244 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so now let's look at the first questions. So if let's say we are trying to solve these questions by using the enthalpy change of formations, it is impossible because these two are related to lead chloride, but here there's no lead chloride. Okay, so the only way we can use is by using the formula enthalpy change equals to the enthalpy change of bond energy, enthalpy change of bond breaking, minus the enthalpy change of bond forming. So for bond breaking, we will focus on the reactant side. This part is bond breaking. And for the product side, bond forming. Okay, so we take a look at how many CCl bond is being break. So there will be two CCl bond is being break, plus 1 ClCl bond is being break. Alright, so this is the total of bond breaking minus the total of bond forming. There will be 4, look at this, there will be 4 CCl bond is formed. So 4 CCl bond is formed. Let me write it down. Alright, so we're going to substitute all the value in. So it will be 2 times 340 plus 242 minus 4 times 340. So your answer is going to be negative 438 kilojoule per mole. Alright, now if you take a look at the second questions, now we can see that the informations of PbCl4 is here and the informations of PbCl2 is here. So therefore we can solve this equation by using the Born-Haber cycle of formation. So to form a mole of PbCl4, it is from Pb plus Cl2 2 mole of Cl2. Alright, so this value is going to be -3, 2. So this will be the formations of PbCl4. Whereas for formations of PbCl2, which is this value, basically we can just draw an arrow up from here. This is -359. Alright, so as you can check that the equation from here to here is already balanced. So therefore, if you want to calculate the enthalpy change for this value over here, it will be negative this value, means -359, and this arrow is a positive arrow, so it will be positive -329, and your answer is going to be positive 30 kilojoule per mole. Alright, so number 3, make use of your answer to part 1 and part 2 to suggest how the relative stability of the 2 oxidation states vary down the group. Now, although it involves something related to group 4 compounds, so we're not going to talk about that, but if let's say we just judge based on the enthalpy change. For the enthalpy change that is more positive, that is not so stable. Okay, this is more stable, this is not so stable. Alright, so therefore +4 oxidation state of Pb is not so stable as compared to the +2 oxidation state of the Pb. +4 oxidations is less stable than
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.